A very bright morning to everyone here, and a very special greetings on 75th Independence Day, and those even watching live this program. So one more year without students, never thought of it celebrating like this, but still the glory and the charm of the occasion will be taken care. Nothing is going to fade our celebrations. We, the entire teaching fraternity, has taken up the charge as and when needed. COVID-19 might have troubled us, but every coin has got two sides. In the same way, this pandemic has got two sides. The other side of this pandemic has taught us how to fight with the circumstances, how to be prepared for the worst, and how to be prepared for the upcoming challenges. We were nowhere when the first lockdown was imposed. Nobody thought that lockdown would go so far. There was no certainty when the situation will become normal. But we all have overcome every hurdle, time to time, challenge by challenge. We were nowhere close to online concepts. Till then, we were not aware of Zoom, WebEx, Google Meet or any of these platforms. But we have overcome all these, and today we know how to master them. Last year, the Independence Day was also celebrated without students, and this year, pandemic has really upgraded us, and we are going live. So I request everyone that we are live on this program. If there are anybody who would like to share this program, the link is already shared with you. You can share it with your dear ones. So we are not leaving any stones unturned, and we are accepting every challenge and overcoming them. And today's Teachers' Day is also going to be very special, that all the students are now replaced by teachers. They are doing March 1st, they are doing cultural activities. Hats off to all my dear teachers who are doing all these efforts. Well done. So it proves that a teacher's job is to enable the unable to be able. So moving ahead, I would like to invite the guests to the dais, and first I would like to request Mr. Shashikala Madam to come onto the dais and occupy the chair. Please, ma'am. I also would like to request Mrs. Ramajyoti Madam to come onto the dais and occupy the chair. I also request Kalyani Ma'am to come to the chair, come to the dais, occupy the chair. I also would like to request Sri Jyoti Ma'am, Subba Reddy Sir, Lakshmikant Reddy Sir, Kalpana Ma'am, Dola Ma'am, Epsiva Madam, Azra Ma'am, and Mrs. Rajeshwari Ma'am, and Nasreen Ma'am to please come onto the dais and occupy the chair.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Sujalam Supalam Malayajasi Sasyamalam Mataram. Sujalam Supalam Malayajasi Talam Sasyamalam Mataram. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Subrajosna pulakitayaminim pullakusumita drumadana shobhinim. Subrajosna pulakitayaminim pullakusumita drumadana shobhinim. Suhasinim sumadura bhashinim. Suhasinim sumadura bhashinim. Subhadam varadam mataram. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. कोटि कोटि कंठ कलकल निनाद कराले, कोटि कोटि भुज द्रुत करवाले, कोटि कोटि कंठ कलकल निनाद कराले, कोटि भुज द्रुत कर करवाले. अमला के नो माय तो बले, अमला के नो माय तो बले, बहुबल धारिणी नमामि तारिणी रिपुदल वारिणी मातरम. बहुबलधारिणीं नमामि तारिणीं रिपुदलवारिणीं मातरं. वन्दे मातरं, वन्दे मातरं. वन्दे मातरं वन्दे तुम्ही विद्या तुम्ही धर्म तुम्ही हृदय तुम्ही मर्म त्वं हि प्राणाः शरीरे तुम्ही विद्या तुम्ही धर्म तुम्ही हृदय तुम्ही मर्म त्वं हि प्राणाः शरीरे बहुते तुम्ही मा शक्ती हृदये तुम्ही मा भक्ती बहुते तुम्ही मा शक्ती हृदये तुम्ही मा भक्ती तोमारे प्रतिमा गढ़ी मंदिरे मंदिरे वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम त्वं हि दुर्गा दश प्रहरण धारिणी कमला कमलदल विहारिणी वाणी विद्यादायिनी नमामि त्वां नमामि कमलां ममलां मधुरां मातरं नमामि त्वां नमामि कमलां ममलां मधुरां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्.
After the Indian missiles, this is a ritual that usually happens on Independence Day or Republic Day, that we would like to see the platoon standing here representing different names. So here, the chief guest is inspecting them, inspecting the platoons, where first platoon is Ashwin. We give names to these platoons. Next is Akash, Agni, and Amo. Flag salute. Order.
विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा सदा शक्ति बरसाने वाला प्रेम सुधा सरसाने वाला सदा शक्ति बरसाने वाला प्रेम सुधा सरसाने वाला वीरों को हर्षाने वाला वीरों को हर्षाने वाला मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा विजयी 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 स्वतंत्रता की भीषण रण लग कर बढ़े जोश क्षण क्षण में स्वतंत्रता की भीषण रण लग कर बढ़े जोश क्षण क्षण में कामे शत्रु देख कर मन में कामे शत्रु देख कर मन में मिट जावे भय संकट सारा मिट जावे भय संकट सारा विजयी 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 इस झंडे के नीचे निर्भय ले स्वराज्य यहाँ अविचल निश्चय इस झंडे के नीचे निर्भय ले स्वराज्य अविचल निश्चय बोलो भारत माता की जय बोलो स्वतंत्र भारत माता की जय बोलो भारत माता की जय स्वतंत्रता ही ध्येय हमारा स्वतंत्रता ही ध्येय हमारा विजयी 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 इसकी शान न जाने पावे चाहे जाम भले ही जाए, विश्व विजय करके दिखलावे, विश्व विजय करके दिखलावे, तब होवे प्रणपूर्ण हमारा, तब होवे प्रणपूर्ण हमारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा।
शेर शुरू करने के लिए अनुमति चाहता हूँ।
Parade Commander, Sergeant S. Karthik, just took the permission to start the march past. We have a very unique and a different team here marching up. Where this platoon is considered to be a group of Ashwin missiles, which is an advanced version of low-altitude supersonic ballistic interceptor missile. The second platoon, with the saffron color of teachers, is named as Visual Range Active Radar Homecoming air-to-air missile, developed by DRDO. Third platoon is named as Akash, which is a medium-range mobile surface air missile system developed by DRDO. The fourth platoon, in the green color, is named with Agni, a missile which consists of one short range and intermediate range. And these are rail and road mobile powered by solid propellants. It will greatly expand India's reach to strike targets more than 5,500 kilometers away. The fifth platoon, NCC Girls, will be named as Amol, an anti-tank missile with a range of up to 2.8 kilometers.
I just wanted to share this with you all. There are many such people who haven't come into limelight, as I said in the beginning. She killed him. Then Britishers have caught her or have imprisoned her because she did a British officer. She was jailed in Kala, that is Andaman Nicobar Cellular Jail. Okay, a small jail with 6 feet long, 3 feet wide, a cell-type room. In that room also she was chained. Her hands, her legs were chained. Just to harass her, torture her. One day a blacksmith came, jailer brought a blacksmith and jailer asked the blacksmith to unchain her. He started hitting. Okay. He hit her hands and some flesh came out of it. And when she was unshackling, taking her shackles around her ankles, around her legs, he deliberately broke her leg. She was in great pain. She shouted at him, spat at him, spat at that blacksmith and asked, "Why are you torturing me like this? Why are you breaking my legs?" Then Jail said, "Okay, so if you want to avoid all this, if you want to get away with all this, why don't you tell us the hideout of your leader, Subhash Bose? You tell me where is he hiding? He will leave you." She said, already Subhash Bose died in a plane crash. It is believed, it's still a mystery, you all know. Okay. Still, many believe that Subhash Bose died in a plane crash in Taiwan in 1945. This incident has happened after. They said, "No, all lying. We're all INA members. He must be knowing where is he. You have to tell me." So out of frustration, she said,
Respected Dr. Krishnamohan Sir, respected Dr. Madhavi ma'am, my dear Sasi ma'am, Jyoti ma'am, Prabhavati ma'am, and my dear and your colleagues. Wonderful opportunity to wish each and everyone very happy 75th Independence Day. This is the day we celebrate our freedom as a nation. Why? We remember those stars who made freedom possible for us. Hundreds and thousands of men and women fought for it till their last breath. The air, free air that we breathe and every walk that we walk is all because of those noble causes. We should also pause to reflect on what this freedom means to us and what use we are making of it. Freedom does not mean that we can do anything we want without regard for others. Freedom does not mean that we can earn money by hook or by crook, or we can indulge in corrupt practices. Freedom is using the opportunities that our nation provides us to do our best in whatever fields we choose. Today, our nation is in a position to guide its achievements in various fields like education, sports, tourism service, sector, economy, medicine, science, etc. under the guidance of our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. He made numerous welfare for the people like Swachh Bharat, Digital India, Make in India, to make India stand with the world on equal footing. Even in the pandemic COVID situation, Prime Minister Modi stressed upon to follow the COVID protocols. He also defended the country's vaccination policy to contain COVID-19. In the yesteryears, our warriors made British quit India. Now it is the moral duty of all Indians to quit COVID-19 by following all MSDs, mask, sanitation, distance, and all the obstacles and has in your perspectives. I request all the Montessorians to take oath to use his or her freedom to become self-sufficient, to work in the service of the poor and helpless, to spread awareness of social and economic justice. Then that freedom will be valued. I ask all my Indians not to misuse this freedom. Freedom is a gift and must be cherished. Our forefathers fought bravely to achieve it. Let us do them proud and take this nation forward to the pinnacle of glory and success. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your wonderful gesture. Now, I would like to request Dr. Mohan sir, Dr. Krishna Mohan sir, to address the gathering. Please, sir.
And another thing I want to emphasize upon is, do you think Corona is good or bad? Any one person, any teacher. Do you like your classroom be like this? What is good about Corona disease, COVID? Anybody please? Yeah, one please come here. You made a very valid point. Come here. Fast, on. Come on.
Spending time with family.
Yeah. She is telling, at last we have a quality family life. Without Corona, television is common at all.
Swaroop Sinha sir, who is going to sing us a patriotic song, which is a tribute to the Indian soldiers.
जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी है मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा में भर लो पानी, शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब तक भी सांस लगे वो, जब तक भी सांस लगे वो, मेरी अपनी लाश बिछा दी। संगीत घर घर आधा, सुबह अमर बलिदानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। कोई सिख कोई जाट मराठा, कोई गुरखा कोई मद्रासी, कोई गुरखा कोई मद्रासी, सरहद पर मरने वाला, सरहद पर मरने वाला, हर वीर था भारतवासी, हर वीर था भारतवासी। जो खून गिरा पर्वत पर, वो खून था हिंदुस्तानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। खून से लटपट खाया, फिर भी बंदूक उठा के, बस को एक मामा, गिर गए होश गवा के, जब समय आया तो अंत समय आया तो कह गए कि अब मर गए। खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं। लोग थे वो दीवाने, लोग थे वो अभिमानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम भूल न जाना उनको, इसलिए कहूँ ये कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद।
Wonderful, excellent, was really good, very heart touching. Now we have a Hindustan Hamara, a medley showcasing patriotism, where teachers are taking up this. Give them a huge round of applause. NCC boys, at least boys and girls, you keep clapping. Others are feeling shy. You please encourage them. The next prize is backed by and she is awarded with a cash prize of 400 rupees. S. Sumaya. For breaking the rule, and then the audience is taking up. They are proving that they are having better energy. There are only 6 awards. I believe it's not a big deal. Keep doing that. The third prize is backed by T. Rashmitov, 7th MAP, who has backed a consolation prize and a cash prize of rupees 200. Then we have Y. Bharat of 7th A1, who has bagged the consolation. The next one is P. Ranvit of 6th Agni. P. Ranvit.
ವಂದನಮಿದೆ 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 ಓ ಮಾತಾ ಜಯ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿ ವಂದನಮಿದೆ ವಂದನಮಿದೆ ಜಯ ಜನನಿ ಮಾತಾ ವಂದನಮಿದೆ ವಂದನಮಿದೆ ದೇವಿ ಶುಭದಾಯನಿ ಮಾಯಮ್ಮ ವಂದನಮಿದೆ ದೇವಿ ಶುಭದಾಯನಿ ಮಾಯಮ್ಮ ಜಗಜ್ಜನನಿ ಮಾತಾ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ವಂದನಮಿದೆ अम्बा जगदम्बा त्रिपुरान्तगिरि कुमारी दुर्गा कामेश्वरी कल्याणी सावित्री त्रिभुवनी भारती उमा रानी पार्वती वन्दनमिदे भारत भुवि कन्नडल्लि रत्नगर्भ श्रीमालिनी भारत भुवि कन्नडल्लि रत्नगर्भ श्रीमालिनी इंदुमुखी कात्यायनी जयवाणी भारती वन्दनमिदे वन्दनमिदे ओ माता जय भारत जननी वन्दनमिदे वन्दनमिदे जय जननी माता वन्दनमिदे వందనమిదే
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे